Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel and today I'll show you how to find contacts on BeReal. So first let's open the BeReal application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see the search. We can search our friends. Just to add someone to your BeReal, you should enter the username of this contact. For example, HardReset.info YT. I just want to add this contact. Tap to add, and now we just send the request to this contact. Let's just go back. Here we can see our requests. So let's accept this request here. So let's just refresh, and we can see that the HardReset is our friend now. So we can see here the list of our friends. We can see the requests here. So also we can see the sent requests, sent it before requests, and to see the suggestions. So you can add, if you know someone from this available users here, or also you can invite your friends just by share with your BeReal. So that's it. That's how to find contacts in BeReal application on your device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.